Intense scuffles erupt at Cherab Court as Standard Robert High School Principal Phairojam Landhoni appears. Court cancels her plea for anticipatory bail in connection with recent girl student death case. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah approved setting up of special juvenile police units in every district of the state to combat crimes against minors. 14-hour statewide ban called by all Manipur excavator, local truck tipper owners and workers association affects normal life in Manipur. First Director General of Police of State Vigilance Pramod Asthana IPS inspects Office of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station at DC Complex, Imphal West. And the Breastfeeding Promotion Alliance of Manipur kicks off World Breastfeeding Week on the theme Empowers Parents, Enables Breastfeeding at RDO Nursing College, Lamshang. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People stormed Cherab Court complex today against granting of anticipatory bail to accused founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Phairojam Landhoni, in connection with the recent death of a girl student in the school hostel room. The court denied anticipatory bail to P.H. Landhoni. The school founder was produced before Session Judge Imphal West today for hearing on her plea for anticipatory bail in connection with the recent student's death case. Intense scuffles occurred when members of JSC formed against the death incident, and many people of Thangmaiban constituency stormed the court complex in protest against granting of anticipatory bail to the principal. The road in front of Cherab Court complex was blocked for hours with the onset of intense scuffles between the police and the protesters. Few JSC and family members were allowed to enter the court complex to meet with representatives of Session Judge Imphal West. Just then, protesters started pelting stones and eggs to the police, to which the police retaliated by firing mock bombs to disperse the agitators. Situation pacified only when the court announced denial of anticipatory bail to the school principal. President of Thangmaiban Apunba Nupilup El Ganeshwari stated that they gathered at the court to make sure that the court doesn't grant anticipatory bail to P.H. Landhoni. JSC convener T.H. Chitranjan stated that despite cancellation of the anticipatory bail by the court, the JSC will continue its movement to uncover the mystery behind the death. He said that various CSOs, clubs, Mairapaibi and students associations of the state will hold a public meet to decide on the next move of the JSC at the earliest.
Landhoni amasung magi machanupi makhoi anagi anticipatory bail pigi badagi court na ngasi phawda phadadana leibadagi aikhoi mayam pendaba ngasi moigi hearing thoi moigi aduma anticipatory bail adugi aroiba numit ni haibadagi bail adu amona judge da pibi da nabagi damakta aikhoi court sida thomjan janana aikhoi nupi mayam na haujabani ngasai makhai di mapanda muknaraga police na mapanda mayam asi thingaga thami je sigi mi amasung akhoi nupi khara changaga yengba matamda moigi imung manung yauna yengba matamda anticipatory bail machanupi amasung Landhoni reject tawkare baby sanabu mihat thina hatwi bigi bedo adugi mihat pasing ado loina bak phabiraga thuba matamda kisar sithagalaga khogi dandi piba aduni do mihat pa dandi piba phachi tawba pame
mama macha animaki kaino se cancel tawre no order thokpire adugi cancel order singduri akhoi sida mayam da jik thoktana court ki side gi laibire aduna imaiben laibak praja gi puna mangna pakhat pirama mayam do pakhat piranu bibi khidre haibaduma court na tabiba rai se ipajari.
Meanwhile, Principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Phairojam Landhoni, in a press release stated that she will accept any punishment deemed necessary if she or hostel warden or any other teachers of the school were ever found guilty before law in connection with the suspicious death of a girl student in the school hostel room. Asserting that the school authority has been extending cooperation in every investigations and initiatives to uncover the case, she assured of further assistance and cooperation from the school authority. Landhoni also condemned some alleged unfounded statements issued by the government on social media, misleading the public regarding the case. Following the last rites of the deceased student of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, performed at Harauro Maninglekai yesterday, Standard Robert High School Authority also held a memorial event for the deceased student today. Speaking to media, one teacher of the school, S. Anita, stated that the event was observed to pray for her soul to rest in peace.
Class 7 ton lambini thawjam baby sana chanuna manung matum chana lekhide basi the school si waza sing non teaching staff sing thada sing ikoi mayam na lekhide biga tamana mapu ma ke lekon da english sing le yuna bagi damakta asi hekal lega tam bagi tharum mas thawjam maang na ma ke tamana ju mapu ma ke lekon da english sing le yuna bagi damakta koina ju sorry ma pham dani je.
Maira Paibis and residents of Singjamei Leshang Temlekai held a candlelight vigil to commemorate the recent death of a girl student of Standard Robert High Secondary School at Singjamei Market last night. Attendees of the vigil chanted various slogans demanding justice for the deceased student. Residents of Thangmaiban constituency also held candlelight vigil this evening. Yaipal Lamjing Loop Club carried out a protest demonstration demanding justice for deceased girl student of Standard Robert School at Bishumthong, Ningombam, Lerak today. Various placards were used during the sit-in. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah has given approval for setting up of special juvenile police units in each districts of the state. Home Department in a press release stated that the approval was given yesterday. A police officer not below the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police or above will coordinate all functions of police related to children in each units. In every police station, at least one officer not below the rank of Assistant Sub-Inspector with aptitude, appropriate training and orientation will be designated as the Child Welfare Police Officer to take necessary actions in the event of any crimes against minors. A 14-hour band called by All Manipur Excavator, Local Truck Tipper Owners and Workers Association from 4 a.m. till 6 p.m. today has affected normal life in the state. Passenger vehicles remain off the national highways and inter-district roads. Only few vehicles were seen plying on streets for emergencies. Few shops were opened in major markets of Imphal city like Kwaramban and Pauna markets, but the crowd was very less. Some schools and education institutions were closed today. Students' attendance was very less in those schools which were opened. Band supporters halted around 200 goods trucks coming from Jiribam to Imphal at Tingtong Laijang in Kangpokpe district. Sources said that a police team led by Imphal West and Order as Hemanta has rushed to the spot and tried their best to let the stranded vehicles move towards Imphal. None District SP also rushed to the spot to pacify the protesters. However, as per the latest updates, Band supporters remain adamant and the goods trucks have not reached Imphal yet. The 14-hour statewide band called by All Manipur Excavator, Local Truck Tipper Owners and Workers Association also greatly affected normal life in and around Segmai Market today. The market bore deserted looks as all shops remained shut down. Vehicular movement was restricted on the National Highway number 2, which runs through Segmai Bazaar. There is no report of any untoward incidents so far. Normal life in Thoubal district was also affected due to the Band. Business activities came to a standstill. Band supporters came out to the streets and blocked a road since early this morning at Yaripok, Haitroi Pokpi. Scuffles occurred between Band protesters and Band supporters and police personnel, but there is no report of any untoward incident. The 14-hour statewide ban also crippled normal life in Bishnupur district today. Bishnupur Market, Ningthokong Market, Moirang Market and Kumbi Market bore deserted looks as all shops remain shut down. Only few private vehicles for medical emergencies and religious activities were seen plying on the road. Bishnupur police maintained a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incident. Pramod Asthana IPS has become the first Director General of Police DGP of State Vigilance. Joining the office, he had inspected the Office of Superintendent Police of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station and other offices of the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption at DC Complex, Imphal West District. DGP Vigilance Pramod Asthana had also interacted with technical experts and ministerial staffs of the department and called on the staffs for unity in uprooting corruption from the state. Residents of Haubam Marak Kaisham Laikai have condemned the authorities concerned for failing to repair the damage Mayai Lambi running through the colony till date. Residents of the area told Impact News that one side of the road has been blocked since early this year for repairing the damaged retaining wall of the Nambul River, which was bridged more than 200 meters. Asserting that repair of the retaining wall was completed a month ago, they expressed disappointment over the failure of the authorities concerned to repair the road till date.
Ahambadagi hongna kayarak hanna mafam sahida nungi retailing wan chanba khotpa tawdana sahi kayama ngasing mapaikhaleba scheme singasi paikhatri mamanda kayama chankhrabni mafam jida hanjana semaga jo adumak leibak singasi namthagi dana mafam je khwaidagi sothaba khwaidagi chatpa yadaba segaiba mafam du oilabani adu hojik challiba saruk sing asi oirabuksa lairiba condition sing sida phajana semjal hogdaba taragadi hanagi dumaina amukasu singthagi dana leibak sing ase chatpa yadaba phimdo oirakpa yai.
Stating that the road has become an accident-prone area due to congestion as all the vehicles coming to and fro ply on the same side of the road, the local residents urged the authorities concerned to ease their plights without further delay.
Chalamtada Chatlabanina, Gari Thingjanaba, Sokpa, Panba, Yamna Kudung Tiba, Yamna Yawi Akwedi Soroma Panda, Dukan Pamaga Banina, Choi Bakolibadu, Charakana Ying Bida Banina, Aquin Adum Puze, you Angang Bisatpa, Copa, School Halakpa, Gari Lantolanzinda, Satok Singamdre, Lantolanzingumdre, Nakanjelum Tazela Abanina, Angang Kaisu Awaba Moide, Sorong Panda Labanina, Angang is Hanadabayade, Demapan Topayadre, Angang Pakale, Akoi Soka Drapan Hazini, Angang Tingjan Baboyare Garina, she's in a CM the Taragadi Sum Awaba Kudung Tiba, Asia Nabo Yaura Ani.
3 new colleges, that is College of Horticulture, College of Community Science, Home Science and College of Biotechnology, established by Foundation for Environment and Economic Development Services, a FEEDS group of institution, Hengbung, were inaugurated today. Speaking on the occasion, Director of FEEDS group of institution, H.C. Bhattacharya, asserted that the newly inaugurated colleges will facilitate students of Manipur and other northeast states. He asserted that the colleges were opened to uplift underprivileged students of hilly areas under the supervision of Chairman of FEEDS Group of Institution Hengbung, Haukolet Kipgen. Stating that students from Nagaland and Assam have applied for admission, H.C. Bhattacharya asserted that the colleges are all set to begin its session from this year. He maintained that the colleges will be affiliated to Manipur University and its technical collaboration will be with the Assam Agricultural University. Stating that northeast states including Manipur are biological hotspots and home to numerous medicinal plants, the director asserted that the first ever agricultural biotechnology college of the northeast states will facilitate farmers to a great extent. Chairman of FEEDS Group of Institution, Haukolet Kipgen, and top officials of the institution attended the event.
We have most of the students from Manipur, we have Naga students, we have students from Assam also. And interestingly, faculties we have from Manipur, we have from Assam, and we have from Himachal. So many, I think 3 or 4 states are involved, both in student intake as well as your teaching faculties. And they are already there, you can react with them. And hopefully, this is because of exchange of ideas and because the advanced states, which are advanced than Manipur, they have many more ideas, exposures, which can be transmitted to our students, so that now the era of making students market ready, wherever they go, they should get a job, or they should be employed properly, even self-employed. So our vision is to make students market ready as per demand of the day.
Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium under the aegis of National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, NIAM, Jaipur kicked off 3-day training program on post-harvest management of horticultural crops and marketing today. Agriculture Director A. Subhash, Deputy Director of National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, NIAM, Jaipur, Dr. S.R. Singh, and Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, M.S. Khaidem, attended the event held at the training hall of Directorate of Agriculture in Sanjenthong. Speaking at the event, Agriculture Director A. Subhash stated that the training will greatly aid in enhancing agricultural production and in marketing the products. While Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, M.S. Khaidem, urged the attendees to acquire benefits from the training program as well as to give feedback.
Component training programs Nagi horticulture crops lem na mangi ko mayam sigi kanna harvest or matunga kamainan manage or kuina lehin ya ke hai component am derani. Then second component of marketing do deva. Pot se lega su market ka hon dei market ka hongi facilities le krada di mang ga tar ga le hai ba. Idam ba farmers sing sina thawai yaw sigi training se yaw pi raga anno gyan me
Students carried out protest demonstration against non-disclosure of the inquiry report on marks misallocation in HSLC examination 2018 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur (BOSEM) today. Protests were carried out under the initiative of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam at Samuro's Brilliant Public School, Little Master Higher Secondary School, Career Guideline Counseling Center School, Wangoi Higher Secondary School, Royal Academy of Advanced Learning, Top Shifai, Yumnam Huidrom Government High School, schools in Mayang Imphal, namely Kuman Mahikol, Nilamani English School, C.H. Thambo Higher Secondary School, Suraj Elite School, Mayang Imphal, Konchak, and Thaunaujam Ibobi Memorial School, Uchiwa.
Board asi Huran Jinti Taure, Masi Chandan Pom Olabra, Aduga, Masivu, Yangshanaba officer sing. Mari Lenaba Minister, Government Asina, Asumak Tado Tamlagadra, Habsi, the Sami Shatik Hanzage, Maramaduna, Kunaima Pukana Bohana, the Kunaima Sakana Bohana, the Tungi Yumbi, Marusingi, right, Matpa, Adu Marusingu, Karisulatana Kanba, Asumba, Botki Authority, Amadi, Mari Lenaba, Minister, Asi Pam Kondra Lebiranu, Marusing the Makta, Atumba Karata, Mudabo, Targadi, Shana, Baibi Pamadu, Tado Piro, Habsi, the Sami Shatik Hamzage.
Director of Jain Institute of Medical Sciences, T.H. Bhimo, in a press release, appeals to all the members of associate professors, assistant professors, and senior residents APSRA committee working at JANIMS, whose services come under Manipur Essential Services Maintenance Act 1984, not to resort to any mass casual leave or indefinite cease work to ensure smooth functioning of the institute in public interest. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on launching of World Breastfeeding Week in Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur joined the rest of the world in observing World Breastfeeding Week today. Breastfeeding Promotion Alliance of Manipur BPAM launched a week-long observance on the theme Empowers Parents, Enable Breastfeeding at the auditorium of RDO Nursing College in Lamshang. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, Dr. T.H. Dabli, stated that mother's breast milk is the most important ingredient for keeping babies strong and healthy. Maintaining that nothing can ever replace mother's breast milk, Dr. T.H. Dabli stressed the need to spread awareness around health benefits of breastfeeding infants.
breast milk is much more superior to other foods for the babies which are available in the market. Why we are making this observation? Why should there be celebration and observation for a long 7 days to promote breastfeeding? Yes, the whole idea is by the word itself is for the promotion of breastfeeding, because we have to make all the stakeholders aware of the importance of breastfeeding, and that if we spend 7 days and making the people understand and aware of the importance of breastfeeding, then we will definitely get the results.
Authorized signatory of Supreme Infrastructure India Limited as Somendro assured that the ongoing construction of the Sawombung Bridge will be completed in around 6 months. The private company began construction of the bridge under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways with PWD as implementing agency in June 2015. Speaking to media at a construction site today, Somarendra asserted that the bridge, which was expected to be completed last year, has been delayed due to unwarranted law and order situation in the state. He maintained that bill for the construction has not been released since 2016. He also mentioned that the Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, was apprised to dispense the pending bill during the National Highways Review meeting held at Shillong on September 24 last year. He appeals to the PWD and public for their cooperation.
Ministry the set Thakaragasu pending when a learning a Tanzas state the RO concern regional officers Masirit Sri Rites Koi in Palmazani Mana who's a Harris time extension Pinabagita Makta Kogi engineer among the level engineers data 5% of the total estimates the 5% PU Aduga no time extension Jetoge. Hey. Mother Queen Carigino Tabak Queen Suba one to Wadu Parsian and something I think that the man process Toxalaga 10% when I levy of compensation and the 10% Kaga Hojik time extension PBG almost lower the Makoi time extension Piragani Duga low and orders to Mayam Lake Sing Chau Lake the ILP Kungam Lake Reduna Bompo Sule local Gay Praza Nasu Tabaki Tapi having a white table with those Tapas Tom Nakoi Hachali, but hammering as the Luciana Pandam Tamleduna, Brazamiam, Joy contractors in the Lana can be the Wapam when it's the exciting is.
President of Virepag Inat Chanura Loinasilon Ichel T. Ibemcha has lamented that violence and communal animosity have become rampant in Manipur instead of peace and progress after its merger with the Indian Dominion. She was speaking on the sidelines of the 14th Foundation Day of celebration of Ichel at Lambianba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. Ibemcha stated that Ichel was formed with an aim to preserve state's ancestral traditions and to curb crimes against women. Expressing apprehension at the rising rate of crime against women, Ibemcha condemned the government's failure to unveil the mystery behind the recent suspicious death of a girl student as a total disregard to women's section. She also urged women of the state to uphold their dignity and to serve the motherland at all times. Leaders of various civil society organizations like Amkil, Nupi Samaj, All Manipur Tammi, Chingmi Apunba Loop, Kama, AMMWDA, NLANL, KNKSSL, NIPEAL, ANUL and TDUWDA attended the event. Ichel also felicitated those brave mothers who protested naked in front of the Kangla for demanding revocation of Armed Forces Special Powers Act in 2004.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯄ ꯁꯥꯐꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯨꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯏꯄ꯭ꯋꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯩꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯇꯨꯡ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯡꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯄꯊꯥꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯤꯅꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Applied Education Forum Manipur in a press release informed that the 4th state-level quiz competition will be held at Lamjing Maira Sindam Shang in Paurao B on August 14. The forum urged students of the state to participate in the competition. 182 Battalion BSF Kwarengay has donated water pipelines to avail safe drinking water to people of Oksu Ningthemcha village in Imphal East district. The initiative was taken up under BSF's Providing Drinking Water from Source to Community project. 10 electric poles, insulated and non-insulated LT cable wires, KVA generator set and 5 CGI sheet bundle were also donated under strengthening of village electric grid and backup LED street lighting for village security project to the villages. United National Liberation Front UNLF in a press release stated that self-styled colonel of proscribed as Tom Cho, who was arrested by a combined team of Manipur police from Hairok Market yesterday, has left UNLF last month and have no connection with UNLF and MPA. Now the sports news. 18-year-old Ingudam Kavita has bagged gold and championship title of overall women's bodybuilding at the Under-25 Asia Pacific Women's Bodybuilding Championship. Kavita is the daughter of HRD Academy Ghari staff E. Koireng and a worker of HVS Construction Private Limited Ingudam Ongbi Nandila, originally from Dibong Mayalekai in Jiribam district and currently residing at Langjing Achoba Mamang Lekai. She bagged a gold medal and overall Women's Bodybuilding Championship title in the 3rd INBA Asia Pacific Championship Under-25 Women's Championship organized by R. Raghunathan INBA India at Dr. Rajkumar Stadium in Bangalore from July 19 to 20. Kavita is a class 12 student of HRD Academy Ghari. She began bodybuilding under the guidance of chief coach of KBB gym at Terasa Pamlairag as Joy Chandra in 2016. Kavita has also bagged laurels in 8 district and state level women's bodybuilding championship.
Malemda thoidok hendokna masak khanglaba masa phaba mioi myam uba phangi Arnold, Rooney Coleman, aduga Manipur ki da haira akhoi oja mai pak na chingba tongan ba masa phaba mioi sing jaina uba phangi adubu uba phangaga aingonda phangliba penjaba adu khaktana penma ngamjadaba isamaksu kariguma matamda nongbodi sui soidana asigumba fibamsi laknana bai damakta hona ki haina khanba wakhalon siga loinana adumak pamduna laki aigi apamba amana liching oiraga adumak ngasi phawba lai aigi haurofam aigi oja jogi makhada aina sanajarakpa aduga mana liching oiraga akoigi imungi sen thungi fibamna adugi matik phaba oidragasu magi matengna maram oiraga tongan ba site gi world vision dagi akoi minister Mirabai dagi aduga akoigi senior akoigi gym asida nupi ai itomda khak yauna maram oidana ai senior sing iyamba sing aduna machan makni khangna macheni machalni khanna makoigi mamal naidraba mapa naidraba mating mayam amaga loinana matam chupada lepi duna ta lakpaduna yawo malemda
21-year-old Chingtha Mingobi, son of Ingocha from Kongjam Sapamaya in Thawal district, is all set to go on a world cycling tour. Starting from Manipur, Ingobi will pass through Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam and Singapore on his Java's mountain bike cycle, which costs around 60,000 rupees. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham will flag off Ingobi from the Kangla Fort on August 3 around 11 a.m. Ingobi will cycle across the state for 16 days carrying the message of women empowerment and climate change, 43 days in Thailand and 19 days in Malaysia. He will also interact with people he come across on Aegis policy, climate change and many other topics. Ingobi will finally conclude his journey in Singapore after cycling for 10 days. During his visit in Thailand, Ingobi will represent India in the International Youth Leadership Conference. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Chingtha Mingobi appeals to the state government and the public to extend help for his journey.
Imung amada nupi me yaudaba matamda mama oibisingda kyam yamna wai adumaina laigibdagi thamoida nungaijadabdagi kaigumba kharadi nupisingi damakta tawge haba wakhalon poglaga aina bicycle ride che nupisingi damakta beti bachao beti parhao je adumaina aham boinai ride che tawjagi Imphal dagi Delhi fawba mamang haugiba 2018 gi April gi tang ahum dagi hauraga tang kunmanga da Delhi yorga loisanjagi adumaina adugi mamangi right tadi government na mateng pangbire 60,000 mamangi right ta mateng pangbire ki government sigi right che 20 days hoigani almost around 7 to 8 months ki journey hoigade aduga nongmada 50 kilometers per day right tawgani.
Now before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Scuffles erupt at Cherab Court Complex as Standard Robert High School Principal Parojam Landoni appears. Court cancels a plea for anticipatory bail in connection with recent girl student death case. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah approves setting up of special juvenile police units in every district of the state to combat crimes against minors. Fourteen-hour statewide ban called by all Manipur excavator, local truck tipper owners and workers association affects normal life in Manipur. First Director General of Police of State Vigilance Pramod Astana IPS inspects Office of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station at DC Complex in Palu West. And the Breastfeeding Promotion Alliance of Manipur kicks off World Breastfeeding Week on the theme Empowers Parents, Enable Breastfeeding at RDO Nursing College, Lamsha.